Greetings to all our students, audience, friends, and family. Today, our topic is about organizing plans. Hence, let us commence. How can we utilize organizing plans? For those who do not find riches in abundance, specialized knowledge is more abundant and more easily acquired than ideas. Because of this very truth, there is a universal demand and an ever-increasing opportunity for the person capable of helping men and women to sell their personal services advantageously. Capability means imagination, the one quality needed to combine specialized knowledge with ideas in the form or organized plans designed to yield riches. Brilliant. We have learned a thirst about organizing plans. Apply this knowledge daily and contribute with others to multiply your abundance, compassion, and wisdom.